Precious, how do you make your molato soap? It does not change color. Even if you stay 2 months, 1 month, it's not changing color and it's very, very active. Yes, this video I'm going to explain it. I'm going to explain how I make my molato soap and it's very, very active and it's not changing color. And not only that, this video I'm also going to share with you guys this good news. So you need to watch this video to the very end. Yes, even if you're a new viewer, watch it to the very end because you're going to benefit. To my family here, guys, I have a very tangible gift. Like tangible gift for you guys. A gift that if you grab with your pure heart, you will never regret it in this life. You will bless the day you met me on this app, not the mouth. Before I go further, if today is the first time of stopping by, if today is the first time of seeing this parrot, this talkative, you are highly welcome. I love you with passion and you will love me. I don't get problem, I don't get wala. Okay, so just go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell below so you be the first to be notified each time we drop a video. Guys, I don't get work. I upload video on this channel every blessed day. You guys are my #1 priority. I want to be updating you guys every single day, so you need to subscribe to this channel. So every time we upload video, YouTube will tell you, Precious doesn't upload video, come and watch. Your parrots don't upload video. And don't mind this my red cap, like all this my head looks so tattered, so I have to cover it up and do my video in peace. That is just it. Okay, pardon me. Let me first talk about molato soap. Guys, for those of you that have been complaining lately that my molato soap is changing color and all that, guys, that is because you are pouring serums, that is because you are pouring powders into a soap that is very, very active. I see a lot of people adding green ball soap. I see a lot of people adding anti-pimples, that green one, and you expect the soap not to change color. Green. Guys, molato soap is very, very active already, for goodness sake. This is a soap result in 7 days and you use different type in one production. You still go ahead and pour serums. You still go ahead. What do you want? Like, what do you want? Some people even follow my recipe and they'll be like, I did the recipe but it changed color. What happened? Yes, I added little powder, but that does not mean that you change color. Yes, me that did not add the powder doesn't mean I don't have sense. So if you want to follow my recipe, just follow my recipe and it will work for you. Do you understand? So molato soap is not a must you pour powder, and that soap is very, very attractive. Let me show you something. Do you see this soap like this? This soap has been like this for over 1 month and 3 days. Oh, okay, today is making it 4 days. Sorry, I purposely put it here and see how it will look like. So I want to be very, very sure, and so that is why I kept it. And you know, and this is 1 month and 4 days or 5 days now, and it remain like this. Even the texture just even gets more thick and you know, very fine and fluffy. So I don't see the reason why if you keep molato soap, instead of the soap being active, it will just be changing color and everything. So stop pouring powders and all that if you want to get the best results. So now the main video, guys. A lot of you have been chatting me, Precious, please, I want to train with you. A lot of people have recommended, a lot of people have talked good thing about your training, so I want to train with you. But the money, the way the country is, I understand. Yes, I understand. I'm in this country and see how it is, how things are working out. So, and I've decided, you know, they said, instead of giving the fish, how do people say it? I don't know how to say it, but I will, if you know, you know. Instead of giving the fish, teach them how you fish the fish or how you got the fish, whatever. Pardon me. Okay, so that's what I want to do here, guys. We have a full training, like full training that will teach you how to make soap, oil, like most especially this molato soap. To learn only molato soap is just 20,000 naira, only molato soaps. But this class now, I'm going to teach you how to make molato soap, oil, lotions, anything, body scrub, for caramel, hot chocolate, treatment, stretch mark, everything you need to know about skincare. I'm going to teach you on that class. That is a class of 250,000. But guys, I am a woman being and I understand. So this is what I want to do. I want to take it down to 20. Yeah, I know you're wondering what. Yes, 20,000 naira. We have 10 people down in that class. Only thing I need is just 50. I don't need more, because the last one training we take then 10,000 naira, and guys, the population there is too much. I don't even I did not attend to people on that class the way I want to, because I don't even know where to start. So I don't want it this time. Yes, I know it's my money, but please, I don't want it. If you're unlucky to meet up with that 50 people, please, you will leave it for the next time, okay? But I'll just advise you to make use of this opportunity. But this 20,000 naira, guys, I'm going to pour out my knowledge. That is just a way to appreciate you guys for supporting me on this channel. In other way around, no matter what, you guys will not forget Precious. You'll still say, ah, that girl. So it's not every time my husband this, my husband that. To maintain that respect and peace in home, guys, you need to do something. If you're a married woman, you need to support your husband. The country is not easy. 2023 is election, and you guys know where we are, Nigeria. Nobody is even ready to help anybody. We are all struggling. So help yourself out to give your children that best life you have been dreaming of. You just need to support the husband. It's not easy anyway. If you're in this school, it's not every time you're putting your load on the poor boy because he loves you. It's not easy. Support yourself. Help yourself, guys. 20,000 naira, anybody can afford it. It's not like a money you spend in a week. So if you want to be stingy for yourself, now you sabi, it's just 50 people. After 50 people, guys, we're not taking even 51, because I want to attend, like I said, it's a food training, so I want to attend every one of you, okay? So I'm not after the money, but I want to attend every one of you, answer all the questions. Guys, during January, I'll be very busy, but I'll finish the class on January, because I want you guys to start up on time. So I just think this is the best thing. Even me now, the way I am, if I see a training from somebody that I think, you know, I've been watching his or her videos and it's making sense, I will participate. We are all learning. We keep on learning. Nobody is perfect. So this opportunity now, guys, you cannot tell me that you not spend more than 100,000, 50,000 this Xmas. Now 20,000 naira. 20,000 naira. You will use it to start your own life. Be your own boss. Guys, in that video, I will show you how to edit your product. For those of you that will be like, Precious, do you take your product to studio? I don't take my product to any studio. I am the one snapping those pictures you are seeing. They'll be like, hey, is that trend is catching? So I will teach you how to do it. Like I said, this is a training of 250,000 naira, but I'm giving it out for 20,000. And before this training starts, we must reach 50 people before it starts. I don't want, hey, I just joined, please send the one. I don't want it like that. I want to carry everybody along. So if you're interested, this training will be starting on January 28th. Yes, January 28th. Okay, and guys, if you miss this opportunity, I don't think I'll have any cheaper training like this again for this year at all. And you understand, after this group training is now a personal training, because group training can be very stressful, like very stressful. I can remember when I had a training recently. I have a training of 3,000. So it's very stressful, but I want to do it. For that, why I said just 50 people. I don't want more than that, please. So if you don't meet up, that one don't go. I will advise you to just participate. I swear to God, you will love it. You will enjoy it. It's not every time give me. Nobody wants to give. Nobody wants to give. You understand? Everybody wants to hold the one he or she is holding tight. You understand? And next year is election. You don't have to beg for money for a camp. You don't have to beg money for pampers. Do it by yourself. You see respect from everybody. Up to them. Everyone will respect you. You understand? So it's not every time give me. Sometimes body they prepare the person. It's not easy anywhere. So this 20,000 naira class, guys, is starting on 20th of January, and after the training, guys, our training, even if it's 500,000, we are not reducing 5 naira from it. So it's just the best time for you to participate. Before we start the class, we must be complete, like 50 before we start the class. So earlier the better. If you are waiting tomorrow to next tomorrow and you chat me and we are complete, I cannot take you. Even if you are my sister, I cannot take you. We need just 50 people so I can attend to everybody. So it's now your choice, okay, guys? I really love this family, and you know, and I want the best from everybody from this lovely and small family. Do you understand? That is why I do all this. Love you guys. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Bye.